Hello everyone, this is Mita and welcome to Simi Simple Tips channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and please click the bell icon button towards your right so that you get notifications whenever I upload any new video. In today's video, I'll be cooking a red cowpeas sprouts stir fry. This piece is similar to black-eyed peas and it comes under the same family. You need to soak 200 grams of red cowpeas in sufficient water for 5 to 6 hours and then keep it overnight in order to become sprouts in a muslin cloth. Here are the ingredients that are used to make for red cowpeas sprout stir fry. Heat the pan and add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. You can use any other oil as a substitute. Now add cumin seeds and mustard seeds half tablespoon and allow them to change color. Once the cumin and mustard seeds start to pop, you can now add peanuts to it, about 1/4 of a cup that I've taken, but you can add how much ever you like. It doesn't harm. Good source of protein. Then add 2 green chillies and 1 chopped onion to the pan immediately. Stir fry and do not overcook. Now add a pinch of salt um, so that it helps to cook the onions. And then to this mixture, now add tomatoes, 1 chopped tomato, and then stir fry. Again, do not overcook. Now it's time to add turmeric powder, around 1 tablespoon, and mix it well. Now to this mixture, you now have to add 200 grams of red cowpeas sprouts and then stir fry again. Do not overcook. Mix well. And now add salt as per your taste and mix it well. And at this point, actually, it's ready to, you know, to eat or to serve. But I like to cook with water, so I add 1/4 cup of water and cook it for around 5 to 6 minutes, and then I turn off the flame. So now it's ready to serve. Then garnish with pecan nuts powder. It's made with pecan nuts, and it can be eaten as side dish with chapati or as breakfast or even as light dinner. This food is low in saturated fat and sodium, very low in cholesterol. It's also a good source of protein, vitamin A, vitamin C, niacin, thiamine, riboflavin, all these mentioned in this slide. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to Simi's Simple Tips channel. If you have any suggestions, please leave me a comment below, and also hit the bell icon button towards your right so that you get notifications every time I add any new video. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.